No, okay.
And now in the notebook, type the following code. Print hello world. And execute code.
Okay.
And now open another notebook.
And
in the second notebook,
okay.
Type print hello sci-fi. And execute code.
I always forget the shortcuts, but yeah, cool.
Okay, now arrange the notebooks to view them side by side.
Cool.
Nice. Okay, now restart the first kernel.
Oh, got it.
Sweet. Okay, now save your hello sci-fi notebook.
Ooh. Oh, the good old-fashioned floppy. Oh, okay. So I guess it just saves it in place then. Okay, yeah, it's saved.
Awesome. Okay, now make a new cell and type x equals 2 in the new cell, and run this up.
Doesn't matter which notebooks. Okay. Okay.
Now rename the notebook as cool notebook. Okay, now create a new subdirectory and actually, I found a bug with this in the last test, so we won't do these steps. One second. Okay, return to your home directory.
Okay. I didn't leave the home directory.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Had a little aside there. Now, create a new text file.
Okay.
And write Matt is awesome in the text file.
Which Matt? No.
1, 2 T's, I don't know. And then save the file.
There is. Oh, okay, cool. One thing I noticed, I could Command S here, but it didn't let me do that in the notebook interface, but I could on the text one, and there's not the save icon that I used for the notebook. So it's a little discrepancy, but other than that,
okay,
yep.
Thank you. Okay, now launch a Python 3 console.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, is that not exactly what?
It's not what we're expecting.
Oh, okay.
It is, I guess.
Is it? Is the console open?
It's separate. No.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
Cool. Okay, now set a equals 5 and execute code.
Okay.
Okay, now switch the console to the C kernel.
So don't launch a new console. Okay, switch the kernel. Okay. Okay, I think I just switched it.
You actually switched the kernel for your notebook.
Oh, I had that selected. Okay, yeah. Got it. So I think I have the terminal session active, but when I go to switch kernel, it still says. Oh, it didn't show anything that time. Notebook, switch kernel. It's not opening a dialog anymore. Am I missing something? Should I close it and relaunch it, I guess?
So you are actually doing it for the notebook.
Okay.
Using the notebook tab.
So how do I make this the active tab so I switch this kernel instead of that one?
It is the active tab.
Oh, okay.
It's just, yeah.
Okay.
It's something that we haven't really designed for the new top bar.
Okay.
the notebook tab is only applying to the
Oh,
notebook.
it's that.
For the notebook.
That makes sense. It says notebook.
And
Okay.
we don't have a console tab up there yet, but there is still a way to change the kernel in the console.
Okay. Give me a second. It was right there. I'm okay.
No,
Sorry.
it's not you. It's totally something that everyone would.
Yeah.
Well, I had seen the Switch kernel before, so I just defaulted to
Exactly.
that. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, no, every time we say switch to console C kernel, we're like,
Okay.
Then stop. Okay, now close the console.
Cool.
And open a terminal and type ls.
Okay.
And now increase the terminal's font size.
Okay.
And our last task is to open the notebook tutorial.
Okay. Oh, one real quick thing. I noticed when I changed the font size, it hid the output, or it changed the output, so I could see that possibly being annoying. Like some of the output from ls is no longer visible and doesn't seem to be like scrollable. But what was the thing you had asked me to do?
Find the notebook tutorial.
Okay. All right.
Perfect. Okay, so before we stop the recording, is there anything else you want to flag for us, or just something that you thought was really intuitive or non-intuitive, or
Either the website or JupyterLab.
Since there seems to be, I guess the two main, so there's text editing, which is with the text files and stuff like that. And then I could spawn terminals, consoles, and notebooks. I just since there's a notebook and terminal tab, a console tab would be handy too, just so that's all there. Seems like a whole lot of functionality is dumped into this commands tab on the sidebar. Maybe finding that, on one hand, it's nice having everything in one place, but maybe having that distributed elsewhere too, some of that functionality. Other than that, though, the thing I mentioned about shortcuts not really being similar across tabs was threw me off for a second. But other than that, though, it's a clean-looking interface as far as like the. Well, I wonder if I could have gotten. I guess I could have gotten to the notebook help through that too. But it's a nice-looking interface at least, and you don't see that a lot in like a lot of tools and stuff, at least built for Python or things like that. So I do like that.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Awesome.
Our last order of business is what's your text size?
Small.
All right.
So is the goal of this to also, in the presentation yesterday, I think there was something mentioned about like collaborative editing with JupyterLab. Is that kind of the goal? Something kind of like Google Docs, but
Yeah.
Okay.
So, eventually, that's like a step in the future. Right now, you can still collaborate by sharing notebooks.
Okay.
So that, they're like actual documents you can give to other people.
okay.
But yeah, I think like a multi-user on a single document is definitely a goal of JupyterLab in the future.
Yeah.
There's actually a talk today about JupyterLab.
Okay.
If you want to specifically ask questions.
Cool. What time is that?
I think it's at 5.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah. I know you have small, so that's sorry.
No, that's fine.
I'll go ahead and play around with JupyterLab for you. Interesting.
What does this Vim mode do? Does that just enable Vim shortcuts and stuff like that?
Try it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it makes the text editor. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Got it. I have a few friends that use Vim a lot, so that
Yeah.
functionality that's pretty handy actually.